Alright, so the iPhone 17e, huh? March 2026. Feels like ages away, but I'm already curious. A 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED at 60 Hz. That's pretty standard, but solid. The A19 chip, 3 nanometers. Now that's where it gets interesting. And 8 gigs of RAM with 256 or 512 storage? That's a decent jump. I'm definitely keeping an eye on this one.
Wow, that's a pretty sweet setup for a phone, honestly. A 48MP main camera? That's going to capture some seriously detailed shots. I'm always looking for ways to up my photography game, so that's a huge plus. And 20W fast charging with MagSafe? Yeah, that's a convenience I can definitely get behind. No more scrambling for a charger.
The 5G is lightning fast, and with iOS 26 plus Apple Intelligence, everything feels so intuitive. Seriously, it practically reads my mind. Face ID is even quicker, and Ceramic Shield 2 makes me feel a lot more secure. Plus, USB-C and MagSafe. Finally, all that for around $599. Not bad, right?